How's it going, guys? Welcome back to the channel and thanks for tuning in today. So for today's detail, I have this Honda Pilot that is here for full detail, and for today's product review I have SuperClean products. They did reach out to me and they wanted me to try these products out. So guys, sit back, relax and enjoy the show, and let's see how these products really work. First off, let's start with the engine bay. First step is always to disconnect the battery. This way the computer is disconnected so that after the wash there is no check engine light coming onto your dash or no other warning lights. And I always start with the underhood. That means I start from top to the bottom. I use SuperClean diluted. They did give me a bottle of SuperClean that is on the separate, but these being a degreaser dilute, I have to be very careful when I'm using it under hood, because sometimes the manufacturers don't give clear coat under the hood, so these degreasers can be a little bit harsh on that and might as well take the paint off. So I use 50-50 dilution that I make myself, and then I use a brush to agitate it. Sorry, my neighbor decided to come out with his leaf blower, so the video sound is a little bit messed up. His blower is in the way, so guys, sorry about that. And guys, whenever you are using SuperClean, always wear a mask. I did not use a mask when I was using these products on the whole detail, so it did give me a runny nose, so make sure you wear masks so that you don't inhale all the fumes. After the underhood, now I move on to the engine. I give the engine bay a really good pressure wash, and as you can see, I hold my wand a little bit far away from the engine so that I'm not very close to the engine. It can destroy some wires or something, so always use safe methods for detailing an engine, especially with a pressure washer. So SuperClean did give me a can spray bottle, so I used that on the engine bay, and it lays down amazing foam all over the engine and it works perfectly. After that, I lay down some foam with my foam cannon, let the degreaser and the soap sit together, and they break down all the dirt and the grime. SuperClean just does all the hard work because it will actually break down all the dirt, and SuperClean actually makes the process really easy as well. As you have seen in my previous videos, I have used this product over and over. Not much agitation is needed and it does get the job done. The only thing with SuperClean is if you get it on like the body panels or the glass, make sure to wash it off really quickly, because as I am doing this detail in the sun, as you can see, it will dry the product onto the metal or onto the paint, and it can leave some marks. So as you will see me in the detail, sometimes I'm washing off the body panels or the glass. This way I keep the product off the body panels and the paint is clean. After using different brushes to agitate the engine bay with the degreaser on it, I wash down all the soap and the degreaser, and then I use a blow dryer to remove all the water, and then I use a cloth as well to make sure to wipe down all the surfaces. And guys, here is the difference that you will see, the before and after. I have not dressed the engine completely. This is just the clean engine after I use SuperClean, and I can tell you this product is really good. I've been using it for a long time. So guys, all the description to the tools and the products that I use in my details are all in the description down below. You can go to those links and check them out for yourself, and whenever you use those links to buy any of the product, you are actually helping the channel. So guys, make sure to use the links and check out these products. So after the engine is detailed, now I move on to the exterior detail of this car. This car hasn't been detailed for more than 3 or 4 months, I think, and now it's actually really good time to try out these products on this particular vehicle. And these wheels were actually really grimy, and they had all kind of brake dust crusted all over the place. I always agitate the wheels when I'm doing detailing, because if you agitate the wheels you get better results, because some products they just want you to spray it on and wash it off. It doesn't work for me. I have to do the agitation because I want to make sure that I clean the wheels completely. The sprayer on this bottle is not really great because it just streams out the product. It is doing the foam action, but for me it doesn't spread it out, and that was a no-go for me, because that way you are using a lot more product and it's not spreading it out. And this bottle does not have the option of spray at all. So for me, by the time I was done with this detail, I think I had used half the bottle, I think. So my take on this product is that it is a really good rims cleaner. It's not a tire cleaner, because as you can see, all the blooming on the tires is still there. They are still brown, and I had to use my SuperClean that I use in my other spray bottle. They did give me a SuperClean regular bottle. I should have used that, but I just reached out for my own. But in my future videos you will see me using these products over and over with the SuperClean that they provided, and you can see that this degreaser actually really works. But only thing is, this only works on the rims. I wish they can make this product like PNS Brake Buster, that is my all-time favorite, wheel cleaners and tires at the same time. If they will make this product like that, this product will work really amazing, and it may work for all the detailers. But they don't come in gallon sizes. This product only comes in this 32-ounce bottle, so for daily detailing this may not be the product, but if they start pushing it out in gallons it may work. So overall this product is great, but it is not a tire cleaner. So if you buy this product you have to buy a separate tire cleaner. Now it's time to wash the paint. I start with pre-wash rinse to remove all the loose dirt that is onto the paint. So when I'm doing contact wash, there is very less chance for me to put any swirl marks or any markings on the paint. This paint was actually ceramic coated about 5 years ago, and CarPro ceramic coating is really amazing. It's holding up so well. Just on the flat panels it is going away, but on the sides it's doing the job. It's beyond and past its durability, but still the coating is doing amazing. So guys, whenever you have ceramic coated cars, you have to take really good care of them, really wash them in a safe way so you are not inducing any more swirl marks onto the paint. After spraying some PNS bug off on the front end of the car because there was a lot of bug splatter all over the place, so that gives time for the PNS bug off to dwell onto the paint. And now I spray the car down with this foam soap that I have, and this is another great product that I have used recently because this is the MJJC foam soap, and this works really well in a foam cannon. You will see how thick the foam is and how long it dwells onto the paint, and this foam was really amazing. Only thing was they produced it in a small bottle, like a 16-ounce bottle I think, but I wish they would produce this in a gallon size because this foam was by far one of the best soaps I have used recently. After laying down some thick foam, I go around the whole car with my detail brush to make sure to go through all those cracks and crevices and all the emblems to make sure I remove all the dirt that is hiding in them and to clean them really well. Now I do my contact wash, and for contact wash I use a soft mitt and 2-bucket methods. So in 2-bucket method is you have 1 bucket that is to rinse the mitt, second bucket you have soap in it. So whenever I wash one panel, a mitt always has 2 sides, so I can split that panel in 2, or I can do 1 panel and then flip the mitt and I can use the other side on the other panel. And after that I come to my rinse bucket and I make sure I rinse off, because if there is any dirt on the panel and you use the same mitt onto the other side, you can actually induce some swirl marks or you can cause some scratches to happen. And whenever you use the mitt on the bottom parts of the car, never go back up, because all the vehicles always carry dirt in the bottom part. So whenever I go to the bottom part, I make sure that I go and rinse off my mitt before I go onto the other panel. After washing off all that soap from the paint, now is the time that I dry the paint completely. For that I have a really soft towel that I use for these ceramic coated vehicles. Always guys, whenever you're drying your car, make sure to always use some drying agent. Never use a dry towel onto a dry paint. You can scratch the paint, so this way always use safe methods when drying a car. Now to boost the gloss in this dyeing ceramic coating that I have on this particular vehicle, I'm using Dinovax's Serum Boost. They say that this is a ceramic coating booster and a shine extender. So I just bought this product long time ago and I just wanted to give it a try. So I sprayed a little bit onto my microfiber towel and then I spread it onto the paint and then I just buffed it off. If you want to give this product a shot, there is the link in the description down below. Check it out for yourself, and if you like it, comment in the video section down below and let me know how does this product work for you. For me, it just did an okay job. I don't know any hydrophobic properties or anything of that sort, so let me know in the comment section if you tried this product before. And the last step is always to apply tire shine to these clean tires. If you enjoy the videos and you do want to try out these SuperClean products, the links are in the description down below. And if you use them, let me know in the comment section how do you enjoy these products. And guys, thanks for watching so far. Hope you enjoy the outro video as well. And I'll see you on the next one.